Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my simple evening skincare routine. My skin has cleared up so much, I can't even believe it. If you've been following me here on my channel, I know you know exactly what I'm talking about. So, I think the main reason for this glow is because I've been wearing less makeup and more focus on my skin. I've been taking care of myself. I've been minding my business. I've been drinking my water, all that positive stuff. All the products I use in this video are very affordable. The ours is $8, which is 600 rubles here in Moscow. And the first product I'm gonna be using is this OK Blemish Control Facial Scrub. It comes with different fruits combination. This is with apricot and it helps to get rid of dead skin. Now I'm going to use it to scrub my face to get rid of all the dirt. I know that you're afraid, it feels like every day things are slipping away, you're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Ooh. Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Oh, now you're out of time. Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out